India also wants to create problems in this area with the help of United States, because they want to block the way of People's Republic of China and to somehow demolish this whole idea of CPEC. Let me tell you very frankly, I think CPEC is the last chance for Pakistan to learn to stand on its own feet. If we mess it up, or if we allow our adversaries to mess it up, then we won't be able to stand on our own feet, and we'll have to keep going before IMF with our hands folded, asking for their assistance. And another good thing is that the focus has once again shifted to Kashmir. Kashmir had been put on the back burner. India was trying to present it as the normal situation. They even absorbed, what we know as Indian occupied Kashmir. They absorbed, they did away with Article 370. And so this has refocused attention on the Kashmir issue. I think India is a sponsor of terrorism. India has been responsible for terrorism not only against Pakistan, they did it in Canada, and they killed a Canadian Sikh citizen. They were doing propaganda against Pakistan and People's Republic of China. They got exposed. This is also a very interesting story. They quoted a European scholar who had been dead for 10-15 years. And the media and the intelligence agencies, they said, how did they visit him in heaven?